How to find your niche when starting your business. Welding and Hip Hop 101. Okay, I want to give you a little game real quick because I have heard a few people even ask me or talk about, man, I'm ready to jump out there, but I'm still undecisive on what I should do. Should I do something that's already out there and just, sell a product? Should I create my own? Should I, start a cleaning service? Should I, go mobile? Should I start fab shopping? I'm gonna keep it real with you. The longer you procrastinate, the longer it's gonna take to get there. Me personally, I would tell you, just jump out there, man. Figure out what's in your heart, because you got to remember this. We was born with a gift and a skill, but as we learn, we polish it, and it gets better and better over time. So jump out there. Sometimes we can't just sit around and just wait till we get this perfect situation. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got this right, my insurance, or I got the right truck, I got the logos, or I got all this. Sometimes you just got to start. People gonna say what they gonna say regardless. You know what I mean? Just start. You can start without the logos, without all the rest extra stuff, and just start doing your business. And as you make money, you invest back into your business. And never be afraid to invest money in your business, because it's going to take money to make money. And I'm going to tell you one thing that is a great asset. So keep this in mind. Once you figure out what business you want to start, instantly come up with you a name. And not only just come up with a name. I want to say this because a lot of people just come up with generic things and it sounds like someone else, and someone else already got a copyright, or someone else already got the website. No. When you come up with your business or what you want to do, think of the title or the name of what you want your business to be. Think of the movement. Think of the website. Knowing that, hey, you don't want it too much where it's too much to type in. You want to keep it simple. You want to have it direct. You want to be, when someone see it, they know instantly it's you. So think of it like that, because you got to market yourself. Because when you doing your business, a lot of people fail. A lot of people fail that's talented because they don't market, they don't advertise correctly. And I'm gonna be honest with you, that is a big plus. I have failed in areas because I didn't advertise correctly. I had to learn this too. So I'm gonna give it to you now that I know. You got to advertise monthly. You know what I mean? Monthly advertise your business on some platform. And some people might say, well, I'm not familiar with technology. Pay somebody who's familiar. Point blank period. Cut out the middleman. Just go on and get someone that can do it. See, remember this. We all got a role to play on this team. Just like football, basketball. Everybody got a role. Know your role. And don't try to play nobody else's role, because then it's going to cause confusion. Play your role. I'm a running back. That's what I do. I don't try to be the wide receiver. I don't try to be the cornerback or the defensive end. I just do what I do. And that's what you got to do. Do what you do and find someone that's good at what they do and pay them for their services to take your business to the next level. Because that's going to be a big plus. So don't be in a situation where you don't want to stop. See, I got my cat back here going off. What is wrong with you, man? You just want to get your couple minutes of fame. Well, anyway, I got distracted real quick. So, back to what I was saying. Don't be afraid to invest in your business. And don't be afraid to actually put your money where your mouth is. Because a lot of times we say we want to do this and we want to do that, but we don't really do it. And we do this, and this is something, man. Oh my goodness. Stop wasting money on things you don't need. And then you get in a situation like, oh man, I spent all this money on this. I should have been investing in this. Yes. Don't be naive and think that, it's all about the looks, because in business, it's not about the looks. Don't listen to the hype. Don't worry about what you look like. Worry about what your product is. Worry about how good your work is. You know what I mean? because that's what matters. That's what's gonna bring you more customers and customers. You know what I mean? So, but I would say personally, when you're looking to find your niche to start your business, look at things that you actually really like growing up, because a lot of times it's connected to that. You know, and if you're jumping into the field like welding, you know, figure out which one you like. You might not like sparks. You might not like being out in the field. You might not like um, being in certain situations like commercial work. You might just want to do refineries, good money. You know, you might just want to do repairs. And me personally, I like getting the money without a headache. I love doing repairs. You know, I done did big jobs and did 12-story buildings. I done did big pipe jobs, you know. But man, the repair money, just going out here doing some repairs, having your own equipment, no headache. I love that money. I ain't gonna lie to you. You can go and boast all you want to be and say, oh, I'm on here doing this building, but I know you making them rich. You see what I'm saying? Because you on a job site, and 9 times out of 10, you only make it a small amount. But when you independent, just doing repairs, it might just be a simple patching a hole on something. You'll be surprised what you can get paid for patching a hole. I'm just saying, do your research. So don't think petty. Don't think small. Just think, hey, I'm trying to get my business going. So if it's going to be repairs, if it's going to be some type of lawn service, if it's going to be some type of gate service, you going into the oil fields, whatever you want to do. You stand in the commercial fields. Me personally, I always tell people don't have no limitations, especially when it comes to welding and fabrication. When you being mobile, you do it all. All. Aluminum, stainless, steel, installation, repairs, you know what I mean? Because that way you'll be able to make more money, and you'll be more flexible. And once you start in one direction, you can start building and branching off. You know what I mean? My goal is to have a fleet. You know what I mean? I might have a fleet. We're gonna have a Hog On fleet, a weld technicians fleet. You know what I mean? That's my goal. I had someone the other day tell me, he said, man, Phoenix, I see you getting your own fleet together here soon, bro. He said, I see it, bro. I see it in you. And I was like, you know what? I'm accepting that. Because that shit gonna happen, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to come to you, man, real quick this morning, just to give you a little word of encouragement on starting your thing. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Do research. Do a lot of research. And do some more research. You know what I mean? So, and remember, it's your business. So don't be the type of owner who want to put your business in your employees or your members' hands and then get sour and mad because things not going the way that you want them to go. It's your business, so you got to stay involved. You know what I mean? I think that's very poor leadership when you try to throw something on someone else and expect them to follow out your vision. Be involved in it, you know, and the vision will come, it'll come together. But if you just throw it in someone else's lap, they're gonna do their thing with it. Their thing may not be your vision, so you need to make sure your vision is clear. Be a part of the process, and everything gonna be all right. And like I say, just take your time, man, and don't move fast. And remember one thing that I have learned about life: when you're building a brand, a business, it's a marathon. We ain't sprinting this joint. You know what I mean? Hold on.